Hi, I'm going to be talking to you today about a new enhancement for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Block Volume Service. Up until now, public cloud customers have had to endure a complex and time-consuming process to duplicate block storage for their dev, test, or production environments. Most public cloud providers offer block storage backup and restore as a workaround, but this can be costly as customers are built not only for the original and restored volumes, but also for the storage used for making a copy of the original volume. At Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, we have taken a different approach to this problem, and I'm happy to announce that you can now clone any block volume in a matter of seconds without the associated costs and hassle of the backup and restore process. Clones enable you to quickly and easily create an identical copy of a block volume without having to first create a backup. While the clone volume is being created or accessed, the original volume is not impacted in any way. You can clone any existing block volume, regardless if it is attached to a compute instance or not. You can even create multiple clones of a block volume simultaneously. Block volume cloning supports a number of scenarios. For example, if you are running an application like Oracle E-Business Suite or JD Edwards, you can use it to quickly create multiple dev and test copies of your production environment so that you can quickly troubleshoot problems or test out configuration changes. You can also use it to quickly scale out an existing environment in case you need more capacity to run a monthly report, or handle a temporary increase in usage, or create a disaster recovery environment in another region before a big hurricane strikes. Now let me show you how easy it is to clone an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure block volume.
On the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console, I go to the Storage tab and I find one of the volumes that I would like to clone, in this case BV1, right-click and create clone. Give a new name, and hit the Create Clone button. Within a few seconds, I see that the new clone volume is being provisioned. And it's now available for me to use. As you see, I can clone a volume within a few seconds. And as a reminder, a clone is a point-in-time direct disk-to-disk copy of an entire volume. It is different than a snapshot, as there is no copy on write or dependency to the source volume, and it's available for me within a few seconds.
And that's all it takes to clone a 16 terabyte block volume in just a matter of seconds. For more information about this feature and the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Block Volume Service, check out the resources below.